Bloomberg's Dani is here to tell us why investors should be paying emerging and frontier markets more attention. Dani.
Here are the numbers you said. Frontier markets relatively minuscule compared to developed and emerging markets. Foreign participation also tends to be much lower in these markets, and there's a decent amount of tighter restrictions on who can own these shares. But even so, now might be just the time for investing in frontier markets. And that's because they tend to be havens during periods of surging volatility. So 30-day volatility on the board, and for the past 2 years, the less developed nations have definitely swung less in the white here. Now, partially that's because the nations within the index are far less correlated with each other. But Frontier has underperformed their emerging counterparts in the 4 past calendar years. They have edged ahead there, as you can see, just in the past year, but still there are a lot of idiosyncratic factors driving these returns. There's not one thing we can name, but there are economic shifts driven by the trade war and volatility in the oil market.